What's up guys, Ben here from AuthenTech, and today we're checking out the new and improved Gigabyke Groove V2. Now I reviewed the old Gigabyke Gen 1 back in April 2016. That was 2 years ago, but this new model has been updated with some great new features and specs. So we'll be doing a little comparison as well. Now first off, all pricing links are down below. The Gigabyke Groove V2 is an all-electric moped-style e-bike, kind of like a Tesla bike. It's powerful, super comfortable to ride, and crazy fun to cruise all around. Best part, it's classified as a bicycle due to the pedals, so no gas, no license, and no registration. The max speed is rated to go up to 20 miles per hour, that's fast. And max distance on a single charge, depending on the battery pack you get, can take you upwards of 25 to 30 miles. Let's jump in and check it out. First off, this bike comes in a massive box, but I'm very impressed and thankful they currently offer free shipping. Additionally, they've made multiple iterations to packaging to prevent shipping damage. Assembly takes a little while, but instructions are included. For the most part, the bike comes pre-assembled, but there's about 10 to 20 things you need to attach. There's many bike colors available. I went with the hot blue and it shines nice. One design improvement they made from V1 to 2 is the switch from lots of chrome to matte black. Looks way cooler in my opinion. The biggest improvement is the upgraded motor. It now has larger magnets in that rear 750 watt hub motor, which improves torque, pulling power, and faster acceleration. And man, this scooter definitely feels much faster and more responsive over the previous model. Another big feature, they offer a new lithium-ion battery. It's an optional upgrade that costs $300 more, but in return you get some major benefits. It weighs half the weight of the old battery, thus a lighter battery carrying less weight equals better efficiency. While the old silicon battery is more than good enough, which has an approximate range around 20 to 25 miles, this new lithium will take you around 30 to 33 miles on a single charge. Also very cool, it charges about 80% faster. Now the standard battery is still good, but it's nice to have the upgrade option. I was fortunate enough to test this new lithium battery, and between this new battery and the new motor, the torque on this baby is awesome. Such a massive difference and way more fun to ride. Now for the features, the Gigabyke Groove still has. There's large 16-inch wheels, front and rear headlights, brake lights and blinkers, a bright speedometer with battery life indicator, a much stronger and better designed kickstand, foot pegs in the back for carrying a passenger, nice and springy shock system front and rear. One reason I love to ride my Gigabyke all around, and I've been riding for years now, is the comfortable and cushy seat. It's super plush and padded, so whether I'm going for long trips or even flying off-road, it's very comfortable to ride on. There's also a rack mount in the rear which you could tie things down or purchase their optional luggage trunk that fits right on. With just a few nuts and bolts, I got mine installed, and these are nice to have if you're carrying around school books or groceries or whatever. Plus there's keys to lock in your valuables. One last thing I want to highlight, on their website there's a vast list of replacement parts and pieces, just in case you ever need a replacement part. This sort of future-proofs your investment, which I always like to see. Now this is the new and improved Gigabyke Groove V2. She's got power under the hood and a blast to cruise all around. Whether you're a daily commuter or student on campus or weekend rider, you'll definitely enjoy this one. All product and pricing links are down below. Huge thanks to Gigabyke for sponsoring this video, and thank you guys for watching. If you like this sort of content, hit subscribe and ring the bell to stay tuned for more videos every week. Until next time, let's live authentic.